If you've ever wondered about the smooth process of transferring money from your Cash App to a debit card, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're here with a step-by-step guide to take you through the entire process. So whether you're a seasoned Cash App user or just starting out, stay tuned as we break down the simplicity of sending money to your debit card without any hassle. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to transfer money from your Cash App to your debit card, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. And once you're on the home screen, look for the Money tab at the bottom of your screen and give it a tap. Now, press the Cash Out option and it will prompt you to choose the amount you want to transfer. So go ahead and select the desired amount, then press Cash Out again. So at this point, you will need to choose the deposit speed. So Cash App may offer different options for how quickly you want the money to reach your debit card. So after making your selection, the app will likely ask you to confirm the transaction. So to do this, just enter your PIN or use Touch ID depending on the security features you have set on your device. And that's it! You successfully sent money from Cash App to your debit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.